Les femmes, loin de son rôle traditionnel de maternité, ainsi que fournir support à son mari, elle est et a toujours été le pilier de l'économie burundaise. La Brarudi, premier employeur du secteur privé, avec plus de 50 000 emplois générés, n'a pas tardé à reconnaître cette force de la nature. Malgré les préjugés qui persistent sur leur fragilité, leur manque d'audace et d'ambition, les femmes engagées dans la brasserie Brarudi brisent le mythe selon lequel les femmes n'ont pas accès aux emplois supérieurs. À la Brarudi, ces femmes ont fait des années d'expérience. Leur agenda est surchargé. Elles sont capables d'occuper n'importe quel service pour améliorer leur profil.
It's quite interesting. When I arrived here last year in the administrative block of Brarudi, we see that most of the support functions are actually driven by managed by women. So you see very visible presence of women. And what I've seen about working with women in Brarudi is about the effectiveness and the efficiencies and the commitment. If you know, in a very complex and difficult working environment, skill is important, but passion, commitment and drive is even more important. That is how I would describe what are the drivers of the Brarudi women that I have worked with in the past few months that I've been here. If you look at a typical African environment like Burundi where we are, you see that the role of women have been traditionally housekeepers, farming, and generally supporting the men. A diverse organization that includes women and where you have a gender balance with women is more rational, is more productive, is more critical of the situation. If you even bring it home to Burundi and you see the importance of women in this country, 55% or thereabout of the workforce of Burundi is made up of women. And do you know that 90% of export of Burundi is coming from the farmland? I don't think it will be difficult for us to conclude that women are actually the backbone of the economic development of this country. If this country can progress, why won't Brarudi expand our horizon to make sure we have enough women in our team? And I think we are working hard towards that. That is why IND is very, very important to us in Brarudi. Inclusion and Diversity is a program that has just been launched by Heineken. Heineken is our parent company based in Amsterdam. And we have appointed an Inclusion and Diversity ambassador that spent quite some time in Amsterdam trying to understand inclusion and diversity and how it applies to our company in Burundi. Inclusion and diversity is a very simple concept that we need to be inclusive. We need to have everybody involved in what we are doing, and we need to create a place and an opportunity for everybody. We need a diverse environment. We need a diverse workforce. We need people not to be looked at from their gender perspective, from their sexual orientation, from their physical ability. We want everybody to be involved and have a role in what we do. We believe that a very diverse organization and a very inclusive organization where you give everybody opportunity to play is actually the most productive organization. So that is what Heineken is pursuing.
Le Brarudi est déjà engagé pour favoriser une culture de diversité et d'intégration qui soutient toute bonne initiative. La solidarité femmes de la Brarudi, Sofebra, en est l'exemple.
Sofebra is one of those things that sets women apart from men. It's an organized group of women of Brarudi. If you look at this country and look at the benefits we that work in Brarudi have compared to other members of the Burundian society, you see that it's quite a distance. And Sofebra organized themselves and started providing a front to support economic, social development of the society. I was very impressed by the level of organization that I've seen I was very impressed by the level of program that I have seen in the selflessness that I have brought in by putting their own money, their own contribution in supporting development of women in Burundi and every other person in Burundi. Brarudi, of course, supports them. Personally also, besides my role as Managing Director of Brarudi, I support them as Hubert Eze. And we will do everything possible to make sure we promote their objective and to make sure we promote all the activities they are doing and make sure that they are successful. Because it is very, very important for a society like ours in Burundi. The efforts of the women of Brarudi is significant. They are going to talk to us as a company. They are going to tell us about the progress they have made, about the progress they are making, what we should expect from them in the future. I would like every member of Brarudi to listen to them, to support them, to feel part of them, because they are doing a great job, not only for Brarudi, but for Burundi in general.